At REALice Canada, we are often asked, where does the air go? Let us explain. Ice has traditionally been made with hot water. Ice makers use extremely hot water, often reaching 160 degrees Fahrenheit, to fill their ice resurfacers. That's costly and bad for the environment. To make a resilient and strong sheet of ice makers need to remove the micro air bubbles trapped in the water before freezing it. Otherwise, the ice sheet will be brittle and weak. The amount of air trapped in the water varies greatly depending upon the temperature of the water. When the water is at 50 degrees Fahrenheit, there is a significant amount of trapped air. But when the water is heated to 160 degrees Fahrenheit or more, there are only trace amounts of trapped air. By heating the water up to make the ice, the air bubbles are removed, just as if you were to put a pan of water on the stove to boil. When the water boils, little air bubbles are visible along the side of the pan. They evaporate and then disappear. Imagine being able to lower operational costs and make fantastic ice. That's where REALice comes in. REALice is powered by water pressure only and spins the water like a tornado to remove the air bubbles. The undissolved micro air bubbles in the water are pulled into the extreme low pressure zone that is created by the forces inside the REALice system. This low pressure causes the air bubbles to expand, gather into larger air bubbles, and escape into the atmosphere through the resurfacing machine's fill hole, because air is lighter than water. It's just like boiling the water, but without the heat. REALice is a really smart piece of equipment, which is easily added to a rink's piping system. It's a brilliant example of precision fluid dynamics, which requires no chemicals, filters, or maintenance. REALice has no moving parts and is powered by water pressure alone.